Hi guys, I'm Roberto. Do you remember when I was mentioning to you that Qwen 3 was a revolution of open source AI models? Well, today with Devstral, we have a new revolution of open source AI models. We have Devstral from Mistral, which is the best AI coding agent and AI open source model out there, outcompeting DeepSeek R1, Qwen 3, and DeepSeek V3, the latest updated model. This is Devstral, and as you can see here, is way better than its predecessors. As you can see here, agentic LLM for software development. While typical LLM are excellent at atomic coding tasks, such as writing standalone functions or code completion, they currently struggle to solve real-world software engineering problems. Real-world development requires contextualizing code with a large code base, identifying relationship between disparate components, identifying sub-bugs in intricate functions. Devstral is designed to tackle this problem. It's trained to solve real GitHub issues. It runs over code agent scaffold, such as OpenHands or Sui agent, which define the interface between the model and the test case. Here we show the performance of a dataset of 500 real-world GitHub issues which have been manually screened for correctness. Achieve 46.8% in the SWE bench verified, outperforming open source SOTA models by more than 6% point, and obviously outperforming DeepSeek V3, which was the last version, the V3 or 0324, the 671 billion parameters, and Qwen 3 232 billion parameters. You can see here in this graph exactly what I was mentioning. We released this model for free under the Apache 2i license, so can be used by anyone totally for free and through API with $0.1 per 1 million token, which is basically for free, and $0.3 per 1 million output token, also basically super cheap. You can use it with Hugging Face, you can also use it with Olama, Kaggle, Onslaught, and LM Studio for free. So this is a revolution, better than Qwen 3, and you can use it right now with all these mentioned ways. So let's use it with LM Studio. To use LM Studio, you need to download it first, and then you can use it like this. You will need to download the model, and you see that the first one showing here is Devstral. Let's see, Devstral, and you have different options. Devstral is 40 gigabytes, so actually it's something that if I download, it will take a while to be able to use it. By the way, I download it. In the meantime, probably I will use some online system to use it. Let's try with Open Router, and let's choose Devstral, the small free version, and let's chat with it. We can probably even compare with someone, but I want us to have a feeling of how it feels. Let's ask a cheat sheet of Python, basically a cheat sheet to learn Python fundamentals. Let's see how it responds to this. Give me a cheat sheet of Python to learn it and focus on array objects and class methods. It is using also the web, and we can see here the response. It gave me because it has to focus on array objects and methods. It gives me arrays, operations, objects, classes, and I don't see the operations with arrays. What about the array objects, methods I asked? So it didn't give me, and from that sense, it gave me classes operations. It didn't give me operations more related to array. Well, it gave me some, not all. I still see here the remove, the pop from, if it's an, what this is. Let's see. Here is giving me more. Okay, it's giving me pop, clear, count, index, sort. Okay, this is much better, definitely. And here we have objects operation, initialization. Okay, much better. Create a to-do app with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. I'm not sure if here there is a Canva option yet, probably not. So probably I will just receive a code, but it is actually building the code for me. Let's ask the normal question: how many are in the world strawberry? This is a question that they've been asking often to the models to check that they used to make mistakes. And it doesn't, it responds correctly. But let's ask focus on array operation. Give me them all. We have a list. We have okay. We have the slicing, the append, the extend, the insert, the remove, the pop, the clear, the index, the count, sort, okay, copy my list using slicing, basic comprehension. Okay, it feels like there are a lot. I don't see the one to create a list from scratch. How to create array from scratch with 10 elements. Okay, here is creating an array like this. Create an array with 10 elements with only a method and not initiate the array with 10 elements. Or let's see what it responds. Okay, it creates with the for loop that. Okay, it gave me the correct response. I was checking if I could add a new array with a new array, like but actually that is possible in JavaScript and not in Python. So that was totally correct. I'm actually impressed about Devstral. It is definitely a very good option if you want to Lovable, Bodak New, or any AI coding tool. Devstral is definitely a good alternative to create your full stack web application with a model that actually perform quite well. And yes, I hope this was useful for you. Let me know what do you think about Devstral. Will you switch to Devstral to develop your applications? Let me know. And see you in the next video. But first of all, like, subscribe, and comment to show support to this video if you wish to do so. Bye bye.